In this video, you are going to see how to insert a thick line in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, let's get started. We can apply two different methods. Let us input the underscore for 3 times and hit enter. Then a thick line will be inserted. We can apply another trick. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a line shape. Hold down the shift key and drag it like this to make a straight line. Click on the line, go to shape format, go to over here format shape, and here you can increase the white. Let us write here 3. You can change the color. Let us choose black color, and you can change the dash type from here, and if you want you may change the cap type. Let us choose round and click on outside, and here you will see this is looking good. If you want, you may make it vertical or horizontal or diagonal. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.